Heart Health Redefined, confronting the #1 worst food, hint sugar isn't the culprit. Hey health enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we're all decoding the complexities of our well-being. Today, we're tackling a critical question. What is the worst food for your heart? Now, you've probably heard about trans fats and how they used to be the notorious troublemakers in our diets. But hold on. Recent research suggests they're not as prevalent anymore. So, if trans fats are on the decline, what could be the new heavyweight contender affecting our arteries? Stay tuned as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden truths and unveil the shocking realities about the #1 worst food for your heart. But before we jump into that, let's demystify the lingering confusion surrounding trans fats. How did they become the bad boys of the food world, and why are they fading away? Let's find out. What are trans fats? Trans fats, or trans fatty acids, come in two forms: naturally occurring and artificial. Naturally occurring trans fats are found in the gut of some animals, and foods derived from these animals may contain small quantities of these fats. While the health impact of naturally occurring trans fats is not as extensively studied as their artificial counterparts, it's crucial to be aware of their presence. Artificial trans fats are industrially produced through hydrogenation, where hydrogen is added to liquid vegetable oils, transforming them into a more solid form. This process enhances the shelf life and stability of oils, making them common in processed foods and baked goods. When reading food labels, consumers should be cautious of the term partially hydrogenated oils, as it indicates the presence of artificial trans fats. Being vigilant about this ingredient allows individuals to make informed choices about their dietary intake, considering the potential health risks associated with trans fats. Why companies use trans fats? Trans fats gained popularity among food manufacturers due to their cost-effectiveness. The industrial process of hydrogenation, which produces trans fats, provided an inexpensive way to modify liquid vegetable oils into a solid form. This cost advantage made trans fats an attractive option for companies looking to optimize production expenses. Trans fats are versatile in cooking applications. They can withstand high temperatures without breaking down or spoiling, making them ideal for various culinary processes. Many restaurants and fast food establishments favored trans fats for deep frying purposes. Oils containing trans fats can be used multiple times in commercial fryers, adding to their convenience. One of the significant advantages of trans fats is their ability to extend the shelf life of processed foods. Products containing trans fats remain stable for more extended periods, reducing the likelihood of spoilage. This extended shelf life aligns with the practical considerations of food manufacturers and retailers, allowing for longer product storage and distribution times. Trans fats contribute to the taste and texture of food products, providing a desirable mouthfeel and flavor profile. In baked goods, trans fats contribute to the flakiness of crusts and the texture of cookies and pastries. This enhancement in sensory attributes made trans fats a preferred ingredient for achieving specific culinary characteristics. Despite their culinary appeal and practical benefits for the food industry, trans fats come at a significant cost to heart health. Research has established a strong association between trans fat consumption and adverse cardiovascular outcomes, including increased risk of heart disease and stroke. The health impact of trans fats. The health impact of trans fats is extensive, primarily concerning cholesterol levels. Trans fats increase low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, contributing to atherosclerosis, a key factor in heart disease. Simultaneously, they decrease high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the good cholesterol that plays a protective role by removing low-density lipoprotein cholesterol from the bloodstream, heightening the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The American Heart Association underscores that trans fat consumption significantly elevates the risk of heart disease and stroke. Elevated low-density lipoprotein cholesterol and reduced high-density lipoprotein cholesterol contribute to atherosclerosis, posing a serious threat to cardiovascular health. Additionally, research establishes an association between trans fat consumption and a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Trans fats not only impact cholesterol levels, but also contribute to insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. The cumulative effects of raised low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, reduced high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, and associated risks emphasize the importance of making informed dietary choices to avoid this health roller coaster. Rise and fall of trans fats. The rise and fall of trans fats tell a story of limited awareness in the pre-90s era, when these fats, derived from cost-effective, partially hydrogenated oils, gained popularity in processed foods for their taste-enhancing qualities. The 1990s brought a plot twist as research began linking trans fat consumption to increased risks of heart disease and stroke. Responding to these findings, the Food and Drug Administration implemented labeling regulations in 2013, marking a pivotal moment for informed consumer choices. This regulatory change led to a substantial decrease in trans fat consumption in the United States, but challenges persist in eliminating them from the food supply. Ongoing efforts to raise awareness, promote healthier food choices, and monitor food labeling are essential to further reduce trans fat intake. Foods containing trans fats. Foods containing trans fats pose risks to heart health. Trans fats enhance the texture and taste of these products, making them popular choices. Consumers should be wary of 0 grams of trans fats claims, as products may still contain up to 0.5 grams per serving. Reading ingredient lists for partially hydrogenated oils is crucial for accurate assessments. The Mayo Clinic encourages individuals to act as food detectives, making informed choices by avoiding products with trans fats and opting for healthier alternatives in their preparation. Seed oils explained. Now, let's shine a light on the intriguing world of seed oils. These oils are not just culinary ingredients. They're pervasive in various foods we encounter daily. From the salad dressing on your greens to the snacks you munch on, seed oils are stealthily present. What's fascinating is that they often masquerade as the more familiar vegetable oils on your grocery store shelves. This disguise makes it tricky for consumers to discern what they're bringing into their kitchens. The structural makeup of seed oils adds an interesting layer to their story. These oils are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, giving them a liquid form at room temperature. However, this very characteristic also makes them prone to instability and oxidation. Picture it like this. When exposed to air or heat, these oils can undergo chemical changes, leading to potential health risks. Understanding this instability is crucial because it opens the door to a broader conversation about the impact of oxidized oils on our health, especially in the context of cardiovascular well-being. Now, let's journey into the heart of the matter, the industrial processes that bring seed oils from farms to our tables. The extraction methods involve intricate steps, where seeds undergo pressing or chemical processes to yield the oils we use for cooking. This behind-the-scenes look helps us comprehend the complexities involved, from the fields where these seeds grow to the refined oils that play a role in the flavors and textures of our favorite dishes. Understanding these processes adds depth to our exploration of seed oils and sets the stage for a more informed understanding of their place in our diets. Studies on seed oils and omega-6 vegetable oils as a driver of coronary heart disease. Let's explore the studies examining the purported heart-healthy claims of seed oils, particularly omega-6 vegetable oils like soybean oil. The shift in dietary patterns since the early 1900s has seen a notable rise in the intake of omega-6 fatty acids, largely due to the increased use of vegetable oils. Linoleic acid, the primary omega-6 polyunsaturated fat in these oils, has witnessed a more than 2-fold increase, constituting a significant portion of the Western diet. A systematic review delving into changes in linoleic acid concentration in subcutaneous adipose tissue in the United States of America revealed a substantial increase over the years. This notable rise paralleled the increasing prevalence of diabetes, obesity, and asthma, indicating a potential association. The study, conducted from 1959 to 2008, demonstrated an approximately 2.5-fold increase in linoleic acid concentration, rising from 9.1% to 21.5%. The correlation between the surge in omega-6 fatty acids and concurrent health issues raises questions about the long-term impact of these dietary shifts. In summary, various lines of evidence, including the systematic review mentioned, point to the potential drawbacks of omega-6 polyunsaturated fat intake, specifically linoleic acid from industrial seed oils labeled as vegetable oils. This suggests a link between these oils and oxidative stress, oxidized low-density lipoprotein, chronic inflammation, and atherosclerosis, contributing to a nuanced understanding of their role in coronary heart disease, alternatives, and what to avoid. In navigating towards heart-healthy choices, a crucial practice is reading food labels diligently to identify and avoid items containing seed oils, frequently masked as vegetable oils. This simple yet impactful step empowers individuals to minimize their intake of potentially harmful fats linked to adverse health effects. Promoting alternatives for cooking is paramount. Embrace healthier options such as olive oil, butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, and lard. These choices not only diversify the flavors in your meals, but also offer better fat profiles, contributing to a heart-conscious diet. Exercise caution with condiments and salad dressings, recognizing that some may harbor seed oils. Opt for products that use heart-healthy oils, or even better, explore homemade alternatives to enhance your culinary experiences while prioritizing cardiovascular well-being. Omega-6, fatty acids versus omega-3. Fatty acids. Navigating the complex realm of fatty acids, it's crucial to grasp the competitive interplay between omega-6 and omega-3. These polyunsaturated fats coexist in our diets, but maintaining a delicate equilibrium is paramount for optimal health. Omega-6 fatty acids, prevalent in seed oils like soybean and corn oil, are often taken center stage, yet an overabundance, particularly without adequate omega-3, can lead to an unfavorable imbalance. The key lies in the strategic substitution of excess omega-6 with omega-3 alternatives found in fish oil, cod liver oil, and grass-fed meat. This deliberate shift aims to rectify the disproportionate intake of inflammatory omega-6, fostering a more balanced and heart-healthy fatty acid profile. By consciously integrating omega-3 sources into dietary choices, individuals can proactively support cardiovascular well-being and mitigate the potential risks associated with imbalances in these essential fats. In summary, choose heart-healthy alternatives like olive oil, butter, and coconut oil, steering clear of deceptive seed oils. Strike a balance between omega-6 and omega-3 for optimal heart wellness. Your heart health is paramount, so like and subscribe for more empowering insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey.